welcome to virtual tour of Benteng Rotterdam. So, well, my name is Ariani and my registration ID number is 20401220225. Well, and I'm from PBI A 2022 and today I will be your tour guide. Well, now we are exploring one of Makassar's most iconic historical landmark, which is Benteng Rotterdam. Well, this beautiful Dutch colonial fortress has become a reminder of Indonesia's colonial past and has become an important cultural site here in South Sulawesi. And I'm excited, guys, to take you along as we explore this 17th century fort and discover its fascinating history. So let's go! Benteng Rotterdam, also known as Fort Rotterdam, it was originally built by Kingdom of Goa and it was called Ujung Pandang Fort. But later, in 1667, the Dutch East India Company captured it and renamed it Fort Rotterdam, city after Netherlands. Look at this massive wall behind me. This built for withstand the cannon and attack from the sea, and the architecture is a perfect example of Dutch colonial military design. The fort has this beautiful pentagon shape and bastion at each corner. And what's really interesting is how well preserved everything is. The neatly maintained courtyard and the colonial buildings surrounding us give you a real sense of stepping back in time. And the Dutch used this as their headquarters for controlling trade in eastern Indonesia, particularly for spices, and it was essentially the center of Dutch power in this entire region. Okay, actually inside this building there is a small room that has a special historical significance. It's where Prince Diponegoro, one of Indonesia's national heroes, was imprisoned by the Dutch. He is led a major resistance against the Dutch colonial rule in Java and known as Java War. And seeing place like this actually connects us to the Indonesia's struggle in the past. Now we are entering one of Fort's best features, the La Galliga Museum. This museum houses incredible artifacts from across South Sulawesi culture and history. Check out the traditional Bugis and Makassar artifacts. There are ancient manuscripts, traditional weapons, and items that show the rich maritime of this region. And one of the most famous items here is the La Galliga manuscript, one of the longest epics in the world literature. And then let me show you some Instagram worth spot around Benteng Rotterdam. Well, first is courtyard with its symmetrical buildings and open space is the perfect for wide angle shots. And then inside the museum, there are several displays with dramatic lighting that make for interesting close-up photography.
Well, finally, my favorite spot is this archway corridor connecting the buildings. Light and shadow play here creates a beautiful framing effect for portraits, and no matter what your photography style is, Benteng Rotterdam offers plenty of unique backdrops.
And that concludes our tour of Benteng Rotterdam. And this place offers such a fascinating glimpse into Makassar colonial history and the important role the city play in Indonesia's past. Well, if you're ever in Makassar, I highly recommend spending a few hours exploring this historical camp. And the entrance fee is very reasonable, and there are guides if you want to learn even more detail about the fort history. So thank you for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more exploration of Indonesia's beautiful destination. And next we'll be checking out a new amazing spot in South Sulawesi. So see you then.